Hey, future SaaS leaders. Starting a SaaS venture is exhilarating, but ensuring that it's set up for success from day one, that's the real challenge. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step by step guide to lay a solid foundation on your SaaS business. So let's jump right into it. So, number one is going to be define your niche. And before anything else, know your audience. Who are you serving? What problem are you solving from them? Pinpoint specific niche that ensures that you're not spreading yourself too thin and cater to your audience's unique needs. Number two is going to be your MVP, or the minimum viable product. You want to start small. Before you go all out, develop a minimum version of your product. This MVP allows you to test the waters, gather feedback, and make improvements without a hefty investment. Number three is going to be user experience. A great product isn't about functionality, it's about experience. And you want to ensure that your software is intuitive, user friendly, and offers value at every touch point. So the fourth one's going to be your pricing strategy. And this could make and break your SaaS. Because considering different pricing tiers, offer trials, and ensuring that your pricing reflects the value you're providing is very important. So remember, it's not just about covering costs, it's also about perceived value. Number five is going to be customer support. Your relationship with your customers doesn't end after a sale. You have to offer exceptional customer support, quick responses, helpful solutions, and a proactive approach can turn customers into loyal advocates. So number six is going to be marketing and outreach. You can have the best product, but without visibility, it's like a tree falling in the forest. You have to invest in content marketing, SEO, social media. Engage in your audience, offer value, position yourself as a thought leader in your niche. So setting up a SaaS venture is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. The steps we discussed today will ensure you're on the right path from day one. But if you're looking for more personalized insights and a deeper dive into your SaaS venture, click the link below for a free SaaS assessment where this assessments will going to be tailored to unique needs, offering actionable feedback and strategies for success. So thanks for everybody for joining in today. If you found value into this guide, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with your fellow SaaS enthusiasts, and subscribe for more insights. But remember, success is a journey and every step counts. See you next video, guys. See you.